So today what I have for you is how to apply nail foils. What you're going to need, obviously, the nail you're going to apply it on. This one just has a black um, gel polish on that has been cured. That's what I did to this nail. And then you're also going to need foil glue. As well as the foils you're going to want to apply. So for me, so I can show you guys, I decided to go in with a hot pink, and I'm gonna try to see if I can find it. Yeah, right here, gold. Okay, so we're gonna do those two colors. Okay, so what you want to start off by doing is, like I said, apply your polish. This is gel polish, and cure it. And then what you want to do is apply a very thin layer of glue, just randomly, just wherever you feel like you're going to want to apply the nail foil. So, all right, so the other trick to this is also letting the glue dry, or not dry but get tacky. So you want to leave that on for a couple seconds before you excuse me, before you start applying your actual foils. The way you apply these also, that's very important, is you want to keep shiny side up. So there's a dull side and there is a shiny side. Shiny side has to be towards you. Okay, so then same thing with this pink one, shiny side up, and then there's a dull side on the back. So this is the way you will be applying it, just like that. Okay, so I think that should be, as you can see, it's not white anymore. It became translucent. So I think that it might be ready. Let me give it a try here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put the foil down and press, and then quickly remove. You see that? Okay, let's get you into focus here so you can actually see that. And then again, you're going to press down and lift. Press and lift. And then I'll just apply a little bit more right about there. And now I'm going to go in. That looks pretty just on its own, but I'm going to go in with the pink as well. I want a little pink in there somewhere. So I'm just going to go in and lift. And that looks really, really nice. Okay, so I'm just going to, I think we need a little bit more here. Okay, so there you go. That would be it. That would be the application. It's just that easy. So the last thing you want to do is go ahead and go in with your top coat. And then just apply it. Make sure you seal that very well at the end of the nails, the tip of the nails. All right, and then we're just gonna go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and that would be it. Okay, so I helped you. I tried to make this just quick and simple for you, and that would be the finished product. All right, thank you for watching. I think I will also make a video on how to apply nail decals soon, so just keep watching for that video coming soon. Okay, all right, so that would be it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.